Good morning, HHS. I'm Maleak Jones. Today is Friday, December 2nd.
And I'm Darian and Maleak. On today's episode, we recap the student-organized walkout. We enjoy the musical stylings of Balla Kouyaté, and we get a glimpse into a cow eyeball. Stay tuned, Blue Streaks.
Seniors, don't forget to order your Gap and gown. Jostens will be here in December selling them for $30. After December, the cost of your cap and gown doubles, so order before winter break.
The GSA is meeting today in room 116 and again on the 16th of this month. Make sure not to miss it. On November 1st, students organized a walkout in protest of law changes that would impact transgender students. A student-organized event. Students left class during fourth block to voice their disagreements with the laws. Sawyer and Brady Shifflett were on the scene to cover the walkout.
A couple weeks ago, there was a walkout concerning transgender rights here at HHS during the school day.
The purpose of the walkout was pretty much to show to everyone around us to treat transgender people as human beings. They're just the same as us. We're not any different.
I wanted to make sure that all of my trans friends that attend HHS were safe coming to school and felt comfortable in their own skin.
With the large attendance of HHS students and staff, alongside the presence of media coverage, the walkout was definitely noticed.
The walkout was pretty big. It made the news, I'm pretty sure. It made a bunch of outlets. It was trending for a while. It got a message to someone, I'm sure.
1,000%. I definitely think with the amount of attention, school participation, and media coverage we got, that the walkout was way more successful than we ever intended.
With such a big and meaningful topic, in today's world, students must be ready for backlash, and how they respond to it is key.
I'd say take some time to understand what people who get mistreated every day, try being in their shoes for a day and see how you like it.
To stop living out of fear and start living out of love.
Thanks, Sawyer and Brady, for full coverage of the walkout. Check out hhsmedia.com. The Brent Berry Food Drive has started from today through December 14th. You can help our community by donating canned food. You can drop off your canned goods in the main office as well as other places around Harrisonburg.
The mobile cafe will be running on Thursdays during winter break. Those dates will be December 22nd and December 29th. On November 11th, musician Balla Kouyaté visited HHS to perform and conduct workshops for fine arts students. Waluse and Dawn caught up with Balla about his music and instruments he plays.
Balla Kouyaté came to visit HHS on November 11th to perform for the fine arts students. During this time, Balla talked about his instrument and how it was passed down his family for generations.
I've been playing the Balla for over 50 years.
I've been singing music with my mom. Started with her, but I've been singing can say 35, 37 years now. Okay.
Oh my goodness, I love playing all the songs, but especially when anything's related to the piece. And we have a song called Kaira, K-A-R-R-A, in the Mandinka language, which means peace and inhabitants. I think that's the most song we love to play the most. Because of course, right now in the world, we need some sort of peace.
Fall SOLs tests will take place on January 10th and 11th. Only those who are testing will need to come to school on those days. More information will be in your email from Miss Angela Albanese. In anatomy and physiology classes, Basil Gibson got a chance to dissect a cow eyeball. Gross. But also kind of cool. Here's Dawn with our human of HHS, Basil Gibson.
And now, our human of HHS in Anatomy and Physiology.
My name is Basil Gibson, and I'm a junior. It's just the study of the human body and how it works. We haven't really done any projects in anatomy. We've done some labs, and those are usually pretty fun. We've done a lot of different things. We dissected a cow eye a couple of days ago, and that was pretty cool. So we were studying the nervous system, specifically the eyes, and so we took either cow or sheep eyeballs and dissected them and identified the different parts of them. He's a great teacher. He's really good at making sure that everyone knows the material. He's really good at doing review before tests. I really like him as a teacher. Most people were doing sheep eyes, but my group specifically was doing a cow eye. Well, I mean, our main focus is on the human body and how it works. I've honestly really liked learning about the nervous system and just how the receptors in our skin send information to our brain and just to the rest of the nervous system.
Thanks, Maleak, and good luck to the fields as the basketball season begins.
Darian, did you know today begins the International Sweater Festival? Did you know they can trace sweater vests back in 1882?
I did not know that, Maleak. I'll be sure to wear my sweater vest with pride this weekend. Happy Sweater Festival to you, my dear Maleak.
And to you as well, my darling. Darian, stay safe and stay warm till the sweater vest